Hello students. Today's our topic means lecture number 13, seed drill. In that topic there is sowing methods, seed drill, components of seed drill, seed metering mechanism, types of furrow openers, calibration of seed drill and examples. It is also included in exercise number 12 and 13, study of seed cum fertilizer drill and calibration of seed drill. Seeding. Seeding means sowing. Sowing is an art of placing the seeds in the soil to have good germination in the field. A proper sowing gives correct amount of seed per unit area, correct depth at which seed is placed in the soil, correct spacing between row to row and plant to plant. आपण जे सोईंग करतो ते सोईंग करत असताना आपण काय करतो, स्पेसिफिक डेप्थला सीड सो करतो. दोन ओळीमधलं अंतर आणि दोन झाडांमधलं अंतर सेम ठेवलं जातं. त्यालाच आपण प्रॉपर मेथड ऑफ सोईंग म्हणतो. मग आपण सीड ड्रिल वापरणार आहे, पुढं मशीन वापरणार आहे. त्या मशीनने सुद्धा काय झालं पाहिजे, करेक्ट अमाऊंट ऑफ सीड रेट पर हेक्टर आपण म्हणतो ना, त्याप्रमाणे सीड रेट सगळं मेंटेन झालं पाहिजे. मेथड्स ऑफ सोईंग. आता हे ॲग्रोनॉमीमध्ये तुमचं झालं असेल फर्स्ट सेमिस्टरला. व्हॉट आर द मेथड्स ऑफ सोईंग? ब्रॉडकास्टिंग, डिबलिंग, ड्रिलिंग, ट्रान्सप्लांटिंग. ब्रॉडकास्टिंग म्हणजे काय, आपण सहज असं हाताने अंदाजे सीड थ्रो करतो. ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मीन्स स्प्रेडिंग द सीड thoroughly in the field. Roller or dibbler. There is a dibbler too, for it is used for dibbling. This is hand dibbler. Hand dibbler used to make the hole in the soil, and in that hole the seeds are placed. Study of seed drill. Seed drill is a machine for placing the seeds in a continuous flow in furrow at uniform rate and at controlled depth, with or without the arrangement of covering the seed with soil. सीड ड्रिल हे असं मशीन आहे की ज्याने आपण सीड हे जमिनीमध्ये पेरतो आणि पेरल्यानंतर त्याला मातीने कव्हर केलं जाण्याची अरेंजमेंट त्या सीड ड्रिलमध्ये असेल किंवा नसेल. बघा, ही डायग्रॅम आहे, म्हणजे एक इमेज आहे seed drillची. in that this part, this one is a hopper. What is this? Hopper. This hopper is divided lengthwise into two compartments. One is for seed and another compartment is for fertilizer if it is seed cum fertilizer drill. Then it is having the metering arrangement. Metering म्हणजे काय? Metering means measured quantity. मोजून seed drop झालं पाहिजे. measured quantity of seed it should be dropped in the furrow. Then these are the transparent seed tubes. What is this? Transparent seed tubes. This is end wheels. These are the furrow openers. They open the furrow, and this is metering train. This can be adjusted row to row and plant to plant. This is ground wheel. This is ground wheel. This one is ground wheel. Now the seed drill performs the following function. Seed drillचं काय फंक्शन आहे बघूया आपण. Seed drill to carry the seeds. The seeds are carried in the hopper. To open the furrow to an uniform depth. To meter the seed. To place the seeds in furrow in an acceptable pattern. And to cover the seeds and compact the soil around the seed. Seed drills fitted with fertilizer dropping attachment distribute the fertilizer uniformly on the ground is called seed cum fertilizer drills. It has a large seed box which is divided lengthwise into two compartments, one for seeds and another for fertilizers. Classified seed drills are classified as bullock drawn seed drills, tractor drawn seed drill. Components of seed drill. A seed drill with mechanical seed metering device mainly consists of frame, seed box and fertilizer box, seed metering mechanism, furrow openers, covering device, transport wheels. Now this one is a seed box. Already we will show in that diagram seed box. one box is for seed, another is for fertilizer. There is a star wheel, means one by one due to the rotation seed is dropped. Then this one is a fluted roller seed drill mechanism. Then this is seed tube. What is the function of seed tube? To carry the seed. This is driving shaft. Fertilizer tube is different. Boot. And these are the furrow openers. Now this one is a driving wheel. Ground wheel. Now the frame. The frame is usually made of angle iron with suitable braces and brackets. Seed box and fertilizer box. It may be made up of mild steel or galvanized iron with suitable cover. A small agitator is sometimes provided to stir the seeds at the time of sowing. Seed metering mechanism. The mechanism of seed drill or fertilizer distributor which delivers seeds or fertilizers from the hopper at selected rate is called as a seed metering mechanism. म्हणजे मोजून मापून सीड ड्रॉप केलं जावं, रो टू रो डिस्टन्स कॉन्स्टंट राहावं, प्लांट टू प्लांट डिस्टन्स कॉन्स्टंट राहावं, त्यासाठी जी अरेंजमेंट असते त्याला काय म्हणायचं? सीड मीटरिंग मेकॅनिझम. टाइप्स ऑफ सीड मीटरिंग मेकॅनिझम. फ्लुटेड फीड टाइप, internal double run type, cup feed type, cell feed mechanism, brush feed mechanism, auger feed mechanism, picker wheel mechanism and star wheel mechanism. Now furrow openers. The furrow openers are provided in a seed drill to open up furrow well before dropping the seeds. Types of furrow openers are shovel type, shoe type and disc type furrow openers. Types of furrow opener, these are the diagram. This one is a hoe type, this one is a shoe type, double run opener, shovel type opener, full curved opener, single disc opener and double disc opener. These are different types of furrow openers. Then covering device. It is a device to refill a furrow after the seed has been placed in it. Covering the seeds are usually done by patta, chain, drag, packers, roller and press wheel designed in various sizes and shape. म्हणजे सीड टाकल्यानंतर माती दाबून आपल्याला प्लेन तयार करावं लागतं. आपण सोईंग केलं की कसं एका होलमध्ये सीड सो केलं की पुन्हा माती काय करतो, मातीने ते पूर्ण गच्च भरून प्लेन करतो. त्यासाठी काय वापरतात? चेन, पट्टा, ड्रॅग्स, पॅकर, रोलर्स. Transport wheel. There are two wheels fitted on the main axle. The wheels have suitable attachment to transmit power to operate seed dropping mechanism. Seed tube. It is a tube which carries the seed from hopper, the seed metering mechanism to the boot. It is a part of the sowing machines which conveys the seed or fertilizer from the delivery tube to the furrow. Now see, this one is we are dropping the seed in a hopper. Then this one is a shaft. That shaft is rotated by that ground wheel arrangement with the chain and sprocket. This is fluted roller mechanism. Due to rotation of that roller seed metering mechanism, seed get one by one drop in the seed tube. Okay. There is arrangement to cut off also there. Fluted roller seed metering mechanism. This one is a fluted roller. This one is fluted roller with seed hopper. Means one by one seed it will drop in that seed hopper due to the shape. In that there is one by one seed it will carry and it will drop in the seed tube. This is general form of the fluted feed roller. Fluted roller seed metering mechanism. The fluted wheel, also known as a fluted roller, is driven by a square shaft. Fluted rollers are provided with longitudinal grooves along the outer periphery and can be shifted on the shaft sideways. The size of the groove is different for different crops. प्रत्येक क्रॉपनुसार त्याची साईज बदलत जाईल, कारण आपण बघतो की सोयाबीनचं सीड आणि सिसॅमनचं सीड यामध्ये किती फरक आहे. दॅट्स वाय देर इज अ चेंज इन अ सीड शेप ऑफ द सीड. दॅट्स वाय देर इज अ different sizes for the different crop. Internal double run type seed metering mechanism. This one is an internal double run. Why it is internal double run? Because internally there is an arrangement to carry the seed and drop here, and then it will be carried further. Internal double run type mechanism. It has a double faced wheel. One face has a larger opening for the larger seed, and the other face or side has a smaller opening for use with smaller seed. A gate is provided in the bottom of the box to cover the opening not in use. Now seed and fertilizer metering system. This one is separate attachment for the separate seeds and fertilizers. Then cup feed mechanism. It is a mechanism consisting of cups or spoon on the periphery of a vertical rotating disc which pick up the seeds from the hopper and deliver them into the seed tubes. Brush feed seed metering mechanism. It is a mechanism in which a rotating brush regulates the flow of seed from the hopper. A number of bullock-drawn planters in the country have brush feed mechanism. Auger feed seed metering mechanism. It is a disturbing mechanism consisting of an auger which causes a substance to flow evenly in the field through an aperture at the base or on the side of the hopper. Many of the fertilizer drill on the country have got auger feed mechanism. म्हणजे फर्टिलायझर ड्रिल असेल तर आपल्या कंट्रीमध्ये त्याला काय ऑगर फीड मेकॅनिझम आहे. पिकर व्हील सीड मीटरिंग मेकॅनिझम. इट इज अ मेकॅनिझम इन विच अ व्हर्टिकल प्लेट इज प्रोव्हाइडेड विथ रेडियली प्रोजेक्टेड आर्म्स which drop the large seeds like potato in furrow with the help of suitable jaws. Star wheel metering mechanism. It is a feed mechanism which consists of a toothed wheel rotating in a horizontal plane and covering the fertilizer through a feed gate below the star wheel. Calibration of seed drill. Now this one is most important. The procedure of testing the seed drill for correct seed rate is called as a calibration of seed drill. It is necessary to calibrate the seed drill before operating in the field to get a predetermined seed rate of the machine. Now there is a question on that. Explain the steps for calibration of seed drill on seed cum fertilizer drill. It is very important. Now what define calibration of seed drill? Then what is your answer? The procedure of testing the seed drill for correct seed rate is called as a calibration of seed drill. The following steps are followed for calibration of seed drill or seed cum fertilizer drill. First is determine the nominal width of the drill. Now listen, these are the seed drill furrow openers. Okay. Always these are in odd number. Then how to calculate the width? This one is the spacing between furrow opener. That spacing is S and M is number of furrow opener. Here we are not taking N as a number of furrow opener. Why? Because N means number of revolution. That's why number of furrow openers means M and spacing between furrow opener is S. Then M multiplied by S equal to the width of the seed drill. Now here W equal to M multiplied by S. M means number of furrow openers and S means spacing between openers in meter, and W is width of seed drill in meter. Firstly calculate the width. What is the first step? To calculate the width of seed drill. Then second step, length of strip having nominal width W necessary to cover 1/25 of the hectare. Now we know that we are calculating the seed rate per hectare. For example, if there is a seed rate 45 kg per hectare, likewise you are calculating the seed rate. Now we are not calculating for 1 hectare. we are calculating for 1/25 of the hectare because it one is big if we are calculating for full hectare. That's why we are taking 1/25 part of it for calibration. Now calculate the length of strip. Then 1 hectare means how many? 1 hectare means 10,000 meter square. 1 hectare means 10,000 meter square. Okay. Then what is the area? Length multiplied by width equal to the area. Then what is area? Length multiplied by width equal to area, and area is 10,000 hectares. Then what is the value of W? W equal to M multiplied by S. Already we will calculate it. Now we will calculate L. Then how to calculate L? Length multiplied by width equal to 10,000 hectares. Then width, we want to calculate length. Length equal to 10,000 divided by W. But we are not calculating for full hectare, we are calculating for 1/25 hectare. That's why 1 divided by 25. Why this one 1/25? Because we are calculating the length of strip for 1/25 hectare. Then 25, 1s are 25, 25 4s are 10,000. That's why the answer is 400 divided by W in meters. Okay, that's why length of strip is 400 divided by W in meters. Then we know that length we will know 400 by W. W we will know M multiplied by S. Okay. Now the next step is determine the number of revolution the ground wheel has to make to cover the length of strip. Then this seed drill. Okay, this one is seed drill. Lengthwise it is divided into 2 compartments. Then there are the seed tubes to carry. Here there are the furrow openers. The furrow openers, they will open the furrow and drop the seed. Now here there is a ground wheel. Seed drill having the ground wheel. Then calculate the diameter of ground wheel. Okay. Then number of revolution. The ground wheel is rotating. It is having number of rotation. In one rotation, listen. In one rotation of ground wheel, how many distance it is covered? Calculate it. The next step, determine the number of revolution the ground wheel has to make to cover the length of strip. Means calculate the number of rotations to cover which area? 400 divided by W. W already we will know because M multiplied by S. We will calculate it. Then that ground wheel having the circumference. What is circumference? Pi d. What is circumference means? Pi d. And number of rotations means N. Okay, and this one is 10,000 divided by W. 1/25 means 400 divided by W. Okay, then calculate the number of rotation. Number of rotation means what then? 400 divided by pi d W. Calculate the number of rotation. This pi d it will go here. Therefore, number of rotations equal to 400 divided by pi d W. D is diameter of ground wheel in meter. N equal to number of rotations mean 400 divided by pi d W revolutions per minute. Now step 4. Jack up the drill so that the ground will turn freely. Make a mark on drive wheel and corresponding mark on at a convenient place on the body of the drill to help in counting the revolution of the drive wheel. Means आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? आता सीड ड्रिल उचलून घ्यायचं आहे. आपण त्याची टेस्ट घेतोय की नाही? सीड बॉक्समध्ये सीड भरायचं आहे, फर्टिलायझर बॉक्समध्ये फर्टिलायझर भरायचं आहे आणि ते ड्राईव्ह व्हील आहे, त्या ड्राईव्ह व्हीलवर काय करायचं आहे? मार्क करायचं आहे. मेक अ सुटेबल मार्क ऑन दॅट ड्राईव्ह व्हील अँड जॅक अप द ड्रिल and make artificially rotation by your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, how many? Then due to the rotation of this ground wheel, the seed and fertilizer it will start to drop. Then collect in a catch can or in a bags. Collect that seed in a bags. for number of rotation n equal to 400 pi d w. What is n? N equal to 400 pi d w. Calculate it and then make the number of rotation and measure the quantity of seeds. Put the selected seed and fertilizer in respective hopper. Place a sack or a container under each boot of the seed and fertilizer. Set the rate control adjustment. Rate control adjustment म्हणजे दाखवते मी तुम्हाला. Mark this position on the control wheel. Here there is a rate control adjustment. Adjustment म्हणजे कसं? Here there is a gate and that opening. Through that opening that seed it will get dropped. We can make this arrangement smaller, then slowly seed will drop, and if we will make it bigger, then it is going on speedily, the seed it will drop. And if we will make this rate control adjustment minimum, then slowly seed drop. Then mark here suitably on that rate control adjustment. Then move this drive wheel for the rotation n equal to pi d w. 400 divided by pi d w. What is your answer? For example, your answer is 50. Then make the rotations. How many rotation you will make then? For example, you will make the 50 rotations of this drive wheel artificially, and you will put seed in seed box and fertilizer in fertilizer box, and you will place here sacks below the boot, and you will make artificially the rotation by making mark here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 50. Then whatever the seed it will collected here, make the weight of it. And for example, your seed rate is 45 kg for example per hectare, and you will get by calculation only by calculation means we will calculate for 125 hectare, means not for full hectare. And for example, we will get 5 kg seed, then 5 multiplied by 4 because we are taking for 125, then for full hectare full area multiplied by 4 20 kg, and our seed rate is 45 kg. Then your testing is not correct, then again make this rate control adjustment for maximum and repeat the procedure. What is the procedure? Take the width of seed drill. Here number of measure number of per opener 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here 7 per openers are there. Take the spacing, m multiplied by spacing equal to width of per opener. Okay, then length multiplied by width equal to 10,000 meter square area. This one is step second. Then calculate the w equal to 10,000. Sorry, calculate the length equal to 10,000 divided by w, but we are calculating for 125 hectare, that's why L equal to 400 divided by w. Then take the circumference of this drive wheel. The circumference is pi d and number of rotations are n. Then calculate the number of rotations to cover 125 hectare. Then pi d n equal to 400 divided by w. Therefore, number of rotations equal to 400 divided by pi d w. Then find out the answer of number of rotations. Then put the seed in seed box and fertilizer in fertilizer box. Make suitable mark. Put here containers and make the artificially rotations. And then take the weight and repeat the procedure until your seed rate it will match with the original. Okay. It depends on the seed. What is your seed rate? Okay. On this one step, engage the clutch on or off adjustment for the hoppers and rotate the drive wheel at the speed n equal to 400 pi d w rpm. Weigh the quantity of seed and fertilizer drop from each opener and record on the data sheet. Calculate the seed and fertilizer dropped in kg per hectare and record on the data sheet. And if the Repeat the process by suitable adjusting the rate control till desired rate of seed and fertilizer drop is obtained. Thank you.